Alright, the Zippo truck stopped by once again, and let's see what he dropped off this time. Alright, now this one came in the regular Zippo black box, and the label says Monster Eye. And oh yeah, it's the same as this one I got several months ago. This will give my collection a good balance. Actually, I'm going to have to start another section of my collection and call it my doubles. Alright, this one is on a brass case, and it was made in, looks like Eye of 13. That's right, Eye of 13. Pretty good sound. Lights up nice. Steel insert. It's a black matte case. Now this other one I got is made, or was made in G of 14. So this will go in my doubles collection. I'm gonna have to start. I don't have too many doubles, but that's a good start to it. So there it is, the Monster Eyes. Knuckle bump.